Good morning, good evening, good day. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I hope everybody's doing okay. Welcome to the new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video. We have a playlist with different craft, so feel free to search around, and if you have any special requests, let us know in the comment. Today we have a quick unboxing from Temu. Today Thursday, supposed to be paint by number, but I only have one paint by number canvas to unbox, and we have a cross stitch, so I decided to do both over here. So let's go with the cross stitch. I don't know what brand is this one. It's Christmas store, but according to the sticker up front, it said that it's a 30 by 30 centimeter, and it seems like it had the instructions over here for here it is. It's a plastic bag, Ziploc bag. And here it is, the instructions. You can hardly read it. You cannot read it with the cloth on it. But here are the instructions for you to cross stitch. So it tells you the instruction what to do after you stitch, which is to warm up. Here is a picture outside the bag for the sake of. It looks like it's gonna have some back stitch. So let's see. It looks like this is from Warm Prompt. Yep, it's 11 count, 30 by 30. Okay. And it has 25 colors. Ooh. This is not gonna be looking good. And I don't see anything over here for backstitch. At least not a black one. Oh God, and take a look at this mess. This is supposed to be the picture, and here it is. The only thing we can recognize the bicycle over here and part of the store. I don't know if the letters are gonna be a stitch. Probably is supposed to be a back stitch. I don't know with what color because we don't have no black in here. So let's see. It's printed in this paper, but this paper is breakable. It's not the usual paper that we are accustomed to it. So 25 color, I don't see it happening. So over here it is the Ida. It's very rough. You got the needles over here, which I'm gonna take them out. You got 5 needles in here, size 11. Let me take these out. I don't know how they stapled this, but they did. Let me put it inside the trash can so Mickey won't eat it. And this fabric is serged all around, so you don't have to, it won't fade. You have the colors over here, but I think that the colors are better seen in the pattern paper. Here they are, 25 color, which for 30 by 30 may be okay, but I don't think this is gonna be looking too good, okay? Maybe they got confused with a diamond painting. Okay, so over here it is. Here is the bicycle, right? And it's pretty much, there's not that much of confetti stuff, but it's a 30 by 30. You know, just wondering if that is true. Let's see. Centimeters. No, this is a 25 by 25 by a little over 25. Yep, almost 26. So it's not the fabric. I mean, it's not the stitching area. It's the fabric. Okay. So here it is. Let's take a look at the colors. Right. It's supposed to be a Christmassy one. Okay. This is 1/2/24. It came in this cardboard. And here is number 25. Here they are. Both together. So this is for this one. Let's put it back in the cross stitch. So this is from Temu, so even though it's budget friendly, you have to be careful. I didn't realize about the size of the is from Temu. And now for the paint by number. I got this one because you know how crazy I am about lighthouses. Okay. Here is the picture. It's a 40 by 50. That's a beautiful picture. That's a beautiful picture. You get the brushes. The paint, you have how many colors? 18? 18 colors only? Yeah, you can hardly see the numbers. That's the problem. And you got two number 12. You got two number 12, but you can hardly see the number. It's 18 colors. Here they are. Mostly muted colors. The fabric, it's like a fabric. The canvas. Okay, we got a chart, which is good because with the chart, this is a must. Boy, we're gonna have so many little the chart is printed clearly. Okay. Tell you instruction for usage in there. And here is the canvas. It's a 40 by 50. The canvas is tinted for your convenience. Okay. Here is all the small areas that we have to do. And they're very clear, including the small numbers. Take a look at this. So here it is, the rest. This is the sky. More small areas to paint. This one has a lot. This is what takes longer, the smaller area. Here's an 8. I can distinguish the numbers. That's an 8. Excuse me. That's a 9. That's a 9. So it's like a fabric type. Canva is very soft. Okay. So let's see. So this is it. Let's see how the 18 colors played out, because in paint by number, as on diamond painting and cross stitch, the more colors the better. That's definitely the more colors the better. Okay, so this is it. This is a quick unboxing from Temu, a cross stitch and a paint by number. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.